Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Royal Match with good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app, settings. Then you search about the application of Royal Match and you click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.